Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Explorer. I'm here at Pier 39 in San Francisco, California, right by the aquarium of the bay. And today I'm going to be giving you a walking tour of Pier 39. So if you're coming here on holidays, you know what to expect. We're only about half a mile or so from the famous Fisherman's Wharf. Really easy to get to. So let's go ahead and dive right into this Pier 39 walking tour. So at the entrance to Pier 39, you're going to find the famous Hard Rock Cafe and other vendors selling different foods. You've got the Doghouse, gourmet hot dogs and sausages. Now the Hard Rock Cafe also features their famous large guitar out front and a fairly large souvenir shop if you're looking to bring some Hard Rock Cafe gear home with you. Now Pier 39 also has an upstairs area where you'll find more souvenir shops, restaurants. They've even got some escape rooms up there. Now towards the left here you'll find Only in San Francisco souvenirs, and up top you'll see the Eagle Cafe and the Fog Harbor Fish House, and then down below there you've got the Wipeout Bar and Grill. Over here you'll see Ride the Flyer. You can buy tickets for that. It's a 7D immersive theater. They've got some whale watching tours here you can book. And you'll find the Biscoff Coffee Corner here. Get yourself some cookies and coffee. Again, the Wipeout Bar and Grill and Fog Harbor. There is a Bubba Gump Shrimp Company here. It's further down the pier. We'll get to that in a little bit. But here you'll find the famous Boudin sourdough. If you're looking for clam chowder in a sourdough bowl, you can grab that here. One of the favorites here in San Francisco. And check out all the fun custom sourdough bread here. It looks like they've got Mickey up there and some teddy bears. And as we head back out here, you've got Chowder's Fish and Chips on the left, and then a Nathan's hot dog stand here, the famous Nathan's hot dog stand. There's also some complimentary restrooms there. Now straight ahead here, off to the left, you'll find a Lids if you're looking for your favorite sports team gear. And then Lappert's Ice Cream, handcrafted since 1982. You can get all sorts of cones in here, as well as they have a large Jelly Belly selection. And the Jelly Belly factory is only about an hour away from here. That's always a fun stop. And as we come out here, you've got Mrs. Fields Coffee on the left, as well as Allen's Candles and The Hook if you want to grab some fish and chips. Again, we've got Lids here for your favorite sports team gear. A bungee trampoline, and up top there is an Alcatraz gift shop. Over here, Trish's Mini Donuts. Under the Golden Gate, a souvenir store. Pearl Factory, Hawaii's original pearl in the oyster. Up top, Taco Cantina. They have a patio upstairs there. Trish's Chocolate. There's the Shell Cellar. Expedition. They have crystals and fossils. Nahoku, a jewelry store. Wilder West. And as we turn around here, you've got Crepe Cafe, where they make French crepes right in front of you. They're huge, and how good do those look? The Vanishing Magic Shop, and upstairs is the Spice and Tea Exchange. Lola there on the left, and SF Citywear on the right. I Heart San Francisco. San Francisco Gold. Pier Market with waterfront dining. Grab some fish and chips or clam chowder there. Hot Licks. We've got hot sauces, mustards, rubs, jam, and more. A Biscoff coffee cart, Sunglass Hut, San Francisco Keychains and the Carmel Honey Company. The Build-A-Bear Workshop. There's a magnet store and San Francisco Sock Market. The Crystal Shop. Happy Bubbles Bath and Body Care. Shirtique Kids, San Francisco, Crazy Caps. Now if you're left-handed, you're in luck as they have Lefties, the left-hand store. Bow Wow, grab some clothes for your dog. And they've got some smaller rides here as well. Plunge ride. There's also a carousel. The Build-A-Bear Workshop was off to the left there. And then up the stairs there is where you're going to find Bubba Gump Shrimp Company. It says they're open late. There's also Lorenzo's Pizzeria. Grab yourself some photos there. This is where the 70 ride experience is. If you collect rubber ducks, they've got Quack, San Francisco. There's complimentary restrooms here. Players, Sports Grill. With an outdoor patio. The giant claw game. The water stage. And back there is Christmas in San Francisco if you collect ornaments. Again, the Players Sports Grill. Aunt Fanny's Hot Pretzels. Candy Baron and World's First Magnet Store. There's elevators here to get up top. Great views up top there as well. And as we head to the back here, it's kind of a little boardwalky area. You can get great views of Alcatraz out there and the bay. The Golden Gate Bridge off in the distance. We'll head back around the side here. And this is where you're going to find the famous spot for viewing the sea lions out on the docks here at Pier 39. So hope this walking tour of Pier 39 in San Francisco gave you value. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also leave a comment of your favorite spots to visit in San Francisco. Maybe we can visit one of them next time we're in town. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. And until next time, happy travels.